welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we're here with a 5-minute crunch workout video. So if y'all are ready, let's go ahead and work on our abs. Okay, let's go ahead and roll onto our side here. And we're going to roll down slow and controlled. We are going to be doing crunches for 5 minutes here. So coming up and down and up and down. Be sure to squeeze your core here, engage that core. Make sure that you're getting the most from this 5-minute crunch workout video. If at any point you need to pause, you can always come back to the video. I'm back here working out in New Mexico. It's a great day, nice and sunny. Not too hot, not too cool, so perfect weather. You can hear the birds chirping out here. How about y'all? So we are back with another 5-minute workout. We've done a few of those on my channel. If you haven't seen any of those, be sure to check out the playlist. So y'all can do this workout anywhere, any place. I'm working out outdoors here. I don't even have a mat, but I'm still working out here, outside, getting some nice fresh air, feeling the breeze. There's a nice breeze out. Makes it nice and cool. And so keep coming up. This workout is just 5 minutes, so we'll make it through. If this is the only thing you want to do, you can do this, or you can repeat it, or you can pair this with the other ab videos on my channel. There's a whole bunch. We also have an ab playlist. All you have to do is go to my channel and click on the playlist tab. And keep coming up. So you should feel this in your abs. And we have 2 more minutes left, so keep coming, y'all. Y'all are already over halfway done. That is great. We're almost done. Don't stop now. We are almost done. Less than 2 minutes to go. This video will go by quicker than you know it. And keep lifting up and up and up. And we have 1 more minute to go. Less than 1 minute, y'all. Stick with it. We are almost done. If you had to pause at any time, make sure y'all come back. Keep working out with me. It's okay to pause, just as long as you come back. And keep lifting up. 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll look forward to seeing you on our Friday video. Bye!